In this example, we're going to multiply a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number using an area model. The first thing that we do is create a large rectangle, and then we write both of our factors on the top and the side of the rectangle. We're going to put 56 on the top, but we're going to separate our number by place value, so we will separate it into 50 and 6. And our second factor of 3 will be placed on the side of the rectangle, and there will be only one row because 3 is a 1-digit number. Next, we're going to find the area of each section of the rectangle, and to do this, we're going to multiply the top digit by the digit on the side. In our first box, we're going to multiply 50 by 3, which is 150, and then in our second box, we're going to multiply 6 by 3, which is 18. And finally, we're going to take both of our products and we're going to add them together to create a final product. So 150 plus 18 is 168.